can to make sure those guardsmen are serving in the safest conditions possible. In Gathering, Mike Campbell, News Center 7.
And now, your Storm Center 7 forecast with Chief Meteorologist McCall Vrydaghs.
Well, McCall, all good things must come to an end, I suppose.
Yes, we do have the threat for some thunderstorms. So
after such a beautiful day.
I know, today was fantastic. It actually was well above what we should be for this time of the year as far as temperatures are concerned. We're going to see an overcompensation for temperatures cooling off as we head into the weekend. I think it's just going to go from what feels so fantastic to pretty cool like weather over Saturday and Sunday. And I'm going to show you that in the extended forecast. In between the two, the threat for some strong to severe thunderstorms. So we look at our Storm Prediction Center outlook, and you'll notice widespread potential for severe weather on Friday. The best chance for these storms are going to be during the afternoon. We will have coverage of showers and storms throughout the entire day, but it's going to be mainly once we get past lunchtime into the middle part of the evening that we see those strongest storms. We have a level 2 risk for severe weather tomorrow. That's on a scale of 1 to 5. We have that possibility of a couple of storms that may produce a damaging wind gust in excess of 60 miles per hour. That is going to be our main threat with storms tomorrow. But with an area of low pressure nearby, we have a little bit of some rotation of the winds. An isolated brief spin-up tornado is also in the forecast for tomorrow, and then locally heavy rain could lead to some isolated flash flooding. All of these ingredients are enough that you should pay attention to the forecast throughout the day tomorrow. Use the WHIO weather app, allow push notifications, update the app if you need to do so. That way you're in the know, should we say, if some storms start to get a little bit too strong for us. Line Doppler 7 radar across the Miami Valley. Most of us are dry. This little green here that you see stretching from Troy down into the Eaton area, that's just clutter being picked up by the radar beam. It's really up near Wapakoneta, Salina, portions of Wayne County and northwestern Randolph County where we have some of those showers moving in. And they're a bit moderate to heavy at times, especially northwest of Salina there. Some light showers northwest of Wapakoneta. Bigger picture view as we look at our satellite and radar imagery, you can see the rain stretching from western Lake Erie and northwestern Ohio back into Indiana and Illinois. That's the front that's headed our way, and there's much more to come. So we're going to be tracking this for several hours on Friday. So here's Futurecast. I'll take you through tonight and your day Friday. Notice through midnight tonight, really getting a good depiction of where those showers are located now. Those showers and thunderstorms will continue to cross through the northwestern Miami Valley and may start to hear some more rumbles of thunder by daybreak, especially north and west. Meteorologist Kirstie Zontini will be tracking those storms as they're pushing on in. By 9 a.m., we have some scattered light showers across the area. Midday, we get kind of a break in the activity, but by 2 p.m., we start to ramp things right back up. Notice some showers and thunderstorms there. By 6, 7 o'clock, we might get this good line of thunderstorms to form. They will work on through, and behind it, still some additional steady rain will come in with some gusty winds as well. There's midnight tomorrow night. Showers still around into the early morning hours of Saturday before this finally clears the area. So rainfall estimates still seeing the best possibility of those higher totals north and west, about a half an inch to inch across the area. Might get some locally higher amounts, and why that flash flooding potential exists. So here's a recap. The bottom line, tomorrow we'll have scattered showers and a few thunderstorms out there. Their main threats are going to be damaging wind gusts, an isolated brief spin-up, and some localized flooding will also be possible. And the timing of those strongest storms will fall between about 3 p.m. and 9 p.m. Friday evening. So at the bus stop in the morning, the kids will need the umbrellas. Some showers will already be ongoing. Rain boots, rain jacket throughout the day as the rain and thunderstorm threat is with us. Temperatures still warmer than average, though, for Friday as we get to those upper 70s. Then the cool down comes. Look at those highs for Saturday and Sunday in the 60s. Those morning lows in it early next week in the 40s. Finally back to the 70s by Tuesday.
I am not ready for lows in the 40s.
Me neither.
Not ready for that at all. Thanks, McCall. 2 men admitted to being on Dave Chappelle's property earlier this week and urinating on the comedian's property outside of Yellow Springs. Take a look at body camera video from when deputies went to confront one of them.
So why were you over at Dave Chappelle's house today? I don't know what that is. We have a photo of you, so don't play down. And you do know he has cameras, right? And photo of your car and you taking whiffs on the gate.
Well, blurring the faces in the video because they were cited for misdemeanor. Deputies said they first responded to Chappelle's home on Sunday after getting reports of 3 men trying to crawl under the gate. A neighbor told deputies when he asked the men what they were doing, 2 started to urinate on the front gate. The 2 admitted to criminal mischief, and judge ordered them to write a letter to Chappelle. The judge also put them both on probation for 2 years and gave each a $100 fine. There are just 2 weeks left of regular season high school football, and teams across the state are pushing for the playoffs. We'll introduce you to some of the people playing in this week's big game and what this means to them.